Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. If you're new here, welcome. I am the owner of AllThingsRoseMetics, a handmade cosmetics line, and today I ordered a package. Yeah, I sound kind of upset, right? It looks cute. I ordered some lip liners. I was trying to do a little upgrade because I sell lip gloss, so I want to sell everything around lip gloss. So I'm like, people wear lip liners with lip gloss and I do too. So I got me some lip liners for the lip glosses, and package looks beautiful, package looks amazing, and I'm all excited. I see the name of the brand, I see everything, and then y'all, the disappointment that I will get towards the end of this video is wild. So I purchased 5 different colors. I got a black, a brown, a orangey nude, a pinkish nude, and I also got a red. I kind of wanted to be well-rounded, and then expand the colors and all of that, get more browns and more nudes and stuff like that. But I got the basic colors: a brown, a black, a pink, a red, and an orange. So I think these are the 5 colors in the box. And then in the front I have the logo, and in the back they put all the ingredients that they use and the products. So the first one I opened, I believe, was the red one. I used scissors because I didn't want to ruin the box. It looked really cute, and I kind of wanted to keep it for product pictures, which that's what I thought I was gonna do, but didn't turn out that way. The first one I grabbed was red. The packaging, it looks really cute, but it was so hard to get out of the box, the pencil. I don't know if it's because of the way they put it in there. It was really, really hard to get it out of the box in the first try. So I look at the lip pencil, I'm like, oh my gosh, this looks so cute. And then I open it. Why the hell is it crooked? The tip of the pencil is crooked. I was so confused. I'm like, okay, maybe it's just like this one. Maybe I'll just keep this one for myself, because then I can resharpen it and then it'll be straight again. Okay, cool. I think I opened the brown one next. So I opened the brown one. I'm trying to do my little video, because I'm like, okay, the red one didn't turn out too well. Let me try to get it so it could look good on the YouTubes, right? Open it. This one's even worse. This one is even worse. I was so shocked. I didn't even keep it on the camera. I was like, wow, okay, all right. This one is even more bent. So I'm like, all right, investigation time. Let's see if all of them are the same way. So I close this box and I open the next one, which I believe is the pink one. So I was really confused, and I just kept opening these boxes because I'm like, if one of them, two of them, three of them look like that, then several of them must look like that. So I kept opening it, color after color. They would come out like all the tip of the pencils are bent. I did find one or two that was straight, like the tips was straight. But like, why are they looking like that? I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The formula of the product was really good. It was really creamy. The colors really pop. Like, it's just, why did it come out bent? I cannot sell that like that to people. Like, either give it to me unsharpened and the person can sharpen it themselves, or like make sure that the tip of your pencils like stay good enough, you know. Like the color, the black lip liner was really strong on the first try. You don't even need to do 2 swoops, and it was really strong. Like, the product was amazing. The product was really great. I tried it for like I tried it for like a few times, and I also give to my friends to try. The product was great. It was just like, why are they all bent? I can't use that. So then I contact the seller and I'm like, hey, like, what's good? Like, my pencils are coming out all bent. I can't sell that. Like, it doesn't look professional enough for me to sell. And going back and forth with them, they're like, oh, then sell the ones you have and then you can just throw the rest away. I'm like, first of all, that's my money that you're telling me to throw away. I'm not just gonna sell the ones that I have. Like, that doesn't make sense. I need to make profit off of all of my stuff that I'm selling, you know. And then they're like, oh, well, it's probably where you live is hot. I'm like, first of all, I live in New England, okay? New England is always freezing, like 24/7 freezing. So it's not where I live. Like, look at this black one. This black one is bad. Like, I can't sell this to someone. From far, it looks bent. Like, I was so mad. And it's like, these vendors, these Chinese vendors, like, watch yourselves for them. Like, watch yourselves, y'all. If you have a small business and you're trying to order things, like, double check, triple check, read the comments. Because I did that and it still ended up that way. Like, I spent months looking into lip liners. When I tell you I spent the longest time looking into these lip liners, and this is what I get when I finally decide to make a purchase. It's crazy. Y'all, this is more of the atrocity, but this is all I have for the content for you guys. I just wanted to warn y'all. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Hopefully it's more positive. Bye.